This video guide will help you to remove the ransomware called Kings. You will find out in this video why exactly the ransomware is called like that and what it does with your files. Unfortunately, ransomware is the type of the computer infection that damages the files that people store on their computers. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Unfortunately, it might sometimes happen that because of certain existing vulnerabilities, these King's ransomware and other ransomware type threats may attack the system. So, after the ransomware attack, the files are modified and the special King's extension is now added to the files. Customers cannot open their files anymore. The ransomware puts this scary message mentioning that your system has been compromised and that you need to pay the ransom to restore your data. So this is that scary message. In reality, paying the ransom does not guarantee that your files would be recovered. In fact, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom, because you may simply lose your money for nothing. First thing we recommend you to do is go to the task manager, carefully look for suspicious processes that could be running in the background. If you find them here, terminate them, and this might help you at least save some of your files from being encrypted. Now, speaking about removing this ransomware, we recommend you to do the following. Access program files, select Internet Explorer browser. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. It will help you to identify this King's ransomware, to detect it on your system, and to remove it effectively. So use this green button to download Combo Cleaner. After the program is successfully downloaded, go to Combo Cleaner folder and start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system, and it will give you the summary of threats that were revealed during this scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats. Combo Cleaner can help you to protect your computer from being damaged by all sorts of malware or ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So after the scanning is completed, you will see the summary of threats. Of course, you may remove these threats manually, but we do recommend that you get rid of these threats automatically by upgrading to the premium license of the program.